Estate planning attorney Jeff Fouts here. You know, I like options. I know you do too. You know, when I go to buy a tie or something, I like a lot of different options. And so I noticed one time when I was in the grocery store that there were a lot of different kinds of peanut butter. I mean, it's kind of shocking if you think about it. You go in there and you look and, I mean, there's like 10, 20, 30, I mean, maybe 40 different kinds of peanut butter. I mean, my goodness. I mean, it's pretty amazing, pretty neat. But you know, in estate planning, we have options too. And what are some of those options? Well, there's a number of them, and I'll name them. Number one, you could go to a general practitioner attorney. You could go to an attorney that does divorces on Monday, criminal law on Tuesday, for example, and disability on Friday, and he does a will, or she does a will every now and then. Now, these people are very nice, and they're intelligent, and they have indeed passed the bar, but they're general practitioners, and they do a will every 3 weeks, and they do maybe a revocable living trust every 3 months, and maybe they have never even heard of an IRA trust or an IRS-approved trust for your 401k money. They never heard of that. Well, that's the group here. Then the group over here are the attorneys in the very, very large firms, maybe 100, 200 group firms, and they are very, very talented. They for sure do a lot of estate planning, the people that are in their estate planning units, and they most certainly have heard of IRA trust and IRS-approved retirement plan protection trust. They know about that. And then there's a group in the middle, and that's the group I'm in. Those are what are called boutique law firms, and those are an attorney that this is all they do. They do nothing else except this. Monday through Friday, this is all we do is estate planning. No divorce, no criminal law, no disability, this is it. And so, you know, we think it's important that you go to someone that knows exactly what they need to do. Okay? And so don't make the mistake of going to someone just because they're convenient or just because their prices are dirt cheap. And yes, those are all positives, I understand. But don't let that be necessarily the factor that causes you to hire someone, because we're not playing games here. The money we're talking about that you have, the family money, is not play money. It's real money. And so we want to make darn sure that we have a plan that actually works for you, your spouse, and your kids. If we can ever help you, give us a call. Thank you very much.